guys, what's going on? We're getting into some more pack opening. So, I got all of these packs. So, what shall I do with them? Well, I should open them, so. To the room. Open. Sorry about the commercial. What ends? Yep. So guys, you'll see what I'm gonna get. What? He's not a fucking update team. So, we're not just gonna get into this. There you go. Oh, I still have one more to do. I thought I did all of them. Let's go do that real quick. Yeah, I didn't do it the last one. Be right back when this is done loading. Guys, it's done loading. Yes. Ah. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Did you just see that? That was awesome. Come and continue. Open. There. There. Add and claim. Claim. Open later. And go. Let's see what we get. So let's hit the review all the button. Let's see what we get. And we got a, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that, like, bruh. Oh, he doesn't have so much speed. Dang it. 64 speed, 85 strength, 68 agility, 77, I don't know, 88, I don't know, 7, I don't know, 77, I don't know, and 83, I don't know. So, continue. Oh, oopsies. Gotta go to my team. Best lineup. There we go. No, I'm a 60 fucking overall stuff. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Like, subscribe for now. Bye.